Well, students, right here again today. We got notes for section 1.4 scientific research. Our objectives are you're going to need to be able to compare and contrast pure research, applied research and technology, and then look a little bit about lab safety. Review vocab. Synthetic means something that is human-made and does not necessarily occur in nature. Just a couple new vocab terms we'll come along to. Pure research and applied research are main idea. Some scientific investigations can result in the development of technology that can improve our lives and the world around us. A definition for pure research. Pure research is research to gain knowledge for the sake of knowledge itself. We're just trying to learn about stuff. No particular reason. When Molina and Rowland started, they were doing pure research. As they continued, they advanced more into what we would call applied research. So when they started, there was no environmental evidence indicating there's a correlation to their model in the stratosphere. So they were just trying to gain knowledge. Applied research, that's our definition, research undertaken to solve a specific problem. So after their initial research, scientists continued to monitor the amounts of CFCs in the atmosphere and the annual change in the amount of ozones in the stratosphere. And they still continue to find replacement chemicals for CFCs that are currently banned. Can get things we call chance discoveries. Occur when scientists obtain results far different from what they expected. And when penicillin was discovered, wasn't expecting it. And there's been a number of things that have been discovered just by chance. And a little bit about lab safety. You're responsible for your safety and those around you. On page 19 in your textbook, there's a whole list of safety rules, and I should have already handed this one out to you. We've already been looking a little at lab safety. So, applied research showed that CFCs and a few other chemicals do react with ozone. And in 1987, had something called the Montreal Protocol, and nations agreed to start phasing out CFC usage. As illustrated in this little chart here. So CFC consumption over the years has dropped tremendously. Yeah, some of it has been that certain types of CFCs have been banned and just switched to other types of CFCs that seem to have less interaction with the ozone molecules. And then scientists also learned that the ozone thinning occurs every spring. So that appears to be somewhat as a cyclic pattern. So maybe there's more to it than just the CFCs on the thinning of the ozone layer. And then a few quick questions. Type what kind of research solves specific problems, and you should know that as applied research. What are accidental discoveries like penicillin called? And we see that's chance discoveries. And benefits of chemistry. Chemists today, or chemists always, solve real problems today. Ozone depletion, cures for diseases, reducing automobile pollution, some of the things that chemists have been working with. So that's a little bit of notes on, a little bit of look at section 1.4. And that's all for now.